Hi all, thanks for coming by again. Here in the video, 81 divided by 3 gives us 27, and here we have 9 divided by 3 which equals 3. So 27 divided by 3 is just 9. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it's wrong. So first we have to do this division. 81 divided by 3 gives us 27. So 27 divided by 9 divided by 3. And now we have to do this division. 27 divided by 9 is just 3. So 3 divided by 3 can be written as 3 over 3, which equals 1. This is our final answer to this problem. Hit like and subscribe to keep the adventure going.